Good morning to one and all. So we are heading for last part of solid waste management. So we had covered a various portion of environmental engineering. The last one is a brief about solid waste management. So what we will look into it is we will look about energy recovery, sanitary landfill, and various new topics such as on-site sanitation. So it is a part of solid waste management that how we should think, how we should look into all of these things. So what is energy recovery? So most waste that are generated find their way into land and water bodies without proper treatment, causing severe water pollution. See, what is it means is we without proper treatment, the waste material is directly disposed of into land and water bodies. Okay, these causes water pollution and various land pollution. The problem caused by this can be solved through environmental friendly waste to energy technology. That is, we will convert this waste form to generate energy so that it will help in both purpose. We will dispose of the waste material, number one, and the number second process is we will generate a energy. So municipal solid waste, it refers to the stream of garbage collected through community sanitation services. Municipal solid waste can be directly combusted in waste to energy facility to generate electricity. So what this MSW means, municipal solid waste, what are they done? They do is they collect this waste material from the households, they process it in a such a way that we directly get energy and we produce energy in the form of electricity. We combust or we go through some other processes by which we can generate electricity. The MSW consists mainly of renewable resources such as food, paper, wood products. Okay, it also contains some non-renewable resources such as tires and plastic. So this is how from the waste we can produce energy, and from this energy we can do various processes for our utilization. What is the another thing is sanitary landfill. So let's look into it. It is properly designed and well managed landfill for engineering operations and designing for acceptable standards. So there are various standards we have set on. The engineers, the environmental engineers have set on various standards. According to that, the landfills are designed. So what are these? It may be defined as a method of disposing reuse on land without creating any hazard or nuisance to the public health. So we have taken a land, we have defined a method in an engineering way so that the land is reused again and we don't produce any new harm to the environment. So that is in sanitary landfill. So what is more about it? Modern sanitary landfills are more hygienic and are lined with materials that are impermeable such as plastic and clays. Impermeable means which do not allows to permit the passage of flow. Okay, main advantage of sanitary landfill is it has potential for recovery landfill. Okay, it has the potential of recovering a landfill. Gas as a source of energy. Okay, it can be used as a domestic fuel purpose also. The major limitation of this is the transportation of solid waste from one place to a landfill is very high because there are various trucks involved, various vehicles involved, various carrier vehicles involved. So the transportation cost is very high. So it is one of the limitations of sanitary landfill. Now, second is what is on-site sanitation? Sanitation, we all know, refers to excreta and waste water management. So we have to manage all this, it comes under sanitation. On-site sanitation is the whole action related to treatment and disposal of domestic wastewater that cannot be carried away by an off-site sanitation because of low density population. Means these type of sanitary things, these cannot be carried away from one place to another. So what we have to do is we have to do a on-site sanitation, means at the site of sanitation. So in very small communities in rural and semi-urban, like in villages and those towns which are not that much developed, where sewerage system is still not that much good, okay, on-site sanitation still happens there. Some on-site low-cost disposal method like septic tanks and pits have been developed as an alternative method. As population is exponentially increasing and the rural area is becoming urban, more populations are shifting towards the city. As we all know, now the population that is living in village is very low. Maximum of them have shifted towards city or they are migrating towards city. Hence, as a result, waste assimilation capacity of nature is falling short. So, to break down this waste and how to manage them, so we are short of those technologies. In this condition, on-site sanitation is becoming useful solution. So, on-site sanitation for this purpose is becoming useful solution to these areas. Thank you.